Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at something a little different, the YRELIZY 28-inch ukulele guitar. Now, this isn't your standard 4-string ukulele. It's a bit larger at 28 inches and features 6 nylon strings, bridging the gap perhaps between ukulele and a small classical guitar. Right off the bat, the build quality feels impressive, especially considering the materials used. The body is crafted entirely from high-grade mahogany wood, which is known for its warm, tonal properties. Complementing this is a rosewood fingerboard and bridge. The construction is described as solid, and you can feel that sturdiness when you hold it. There's also a beautifully designed sound hole that adds a nice visual touch. But the real test is the sound, and this is where the mahogany and solid construction really shine. The description mentions that these materials resonate more effectively, and playing it, you do get a sense of that. The sound produced is rich, bright, and warm, a lovely combination. With the nylon strings, you get that classic soft, mellow tone, but the mahogany body gives it a bit more depth and projection than you might expect from a smaller instrument. From the higher treble notes to the lower bass tones, thanks to those extra strings, each note comes through clearly and precisely. It's a very pleasing sound for practice or casual playing. One of the standout features is how exquisite and lightweight this instrument is. It's designed for convenience, making it super easy to pick up and play whenever inspiration strikes, whether you're at home, at a park, or traveling. Its size, while larger than a typical uke, is still very manageable and comfortable to hold. This YRELIZY ukulele is presented as being suitable for players of all ages, and it seems particularly well suited for beginners and young people just starting their musical journey. The nylon strings are easier on the fingers than steel strings, and the slightly larger size and 6 strings offer a familiar feel for those perhaps transitioning from or interested in classical guitar, while still retaining the ukulele's approachable nature. It really does seem like an excellent tool for learning music. Overall, the YRELIZY 28-inch ukulele guitar offers a compelling package. With its high-quality mahogany and rosewood construction, resonant and clear sound, and portable design, it stands out as a great option, especially for those looking for a beginner-friendly instrument with a bit more range than a standard ukulele. It delivers on its promise of a joyful musical experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.